The wireless CarPlay Adapter 2025 AI box offers seamless connectivity with its advanced 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi and Bluetooth 5.3 technology, ensuring a stable and low-latency driving experience. This device transforms your vehicle into an entertainment hub, supporting YouTube and Netflix streaming, as well as offline playback through a TF card with up to 512 gigabytes of storage. Installation is incredibly straightforward thanks to its plug-and-play design, requiring no additional apps or complex setup, and it reconnects automatically every time you start your car. Enhanced with an upgraded cooling design, this adapter performs reliably in all weather conditions, from extreme cold to intense heat, without freezing or overheating. Its wide compatibility covers most factory-installed CarPlay and Android Auto systems from the year 2015 onwards, although it is not suitable for BMW, Tesla, or vehicles lacking original wired systems. The adapter benefits from over-the-air updates to ensure it remains current, and the manufacturer provides fast support to address any issues promptly.